Hey everyone, Bill here with TVPhotogTips. If the landmark's a little lost on you, I am in Duluth, Minnesota. I'm very happy to be here. The reason why I'm up here in Duluth is because the Upper Midwest Emmy Chapter invited me to come up here to speak at the Emmy on the Road workshop. And I'm really excited about this because I enjoy teaching so much, and it's been a while since I've taught at a workshop at a station. So gonna go have some fun, and hopefully somebody will learn something, because that's what I like to do. I like to teach, I like to show people how to do things. So let's go check it out. Oh, I know it's early and I know it's snowing, but it is just a very nice view of downtown Duluth. I know people often aren't big fans of shooting in weather, but you're gonna get cool things like that sometimes when the weather's just right. Okay, here we are at KBJR TV Duluth. It's a duopoly with the CBS station. And let's go in and warp some young minds. Just saw this. Okay, wasn't expecting to see that on my own face when I walk in the door. JJ's here. JD, what's your title?
Huh?
Director or
Executive Director.
Director of the Emmys.
Yes.
Northwest Board. Or no, not Northwest. Come on.
Upper Midwest.
Upper Midwest. Come
Minnesota,
on.
North Dakota, South Dakota, Iowa, and western Wisconsin, which is Superior, which you can see right over there, and then Eau Claire and La Crosse.
Okay. What are we doing today?
We are sharing storytelling ideas with people to get their creative juices flowing. There's no right way, no wrong way, just different ways of doing things. Everything's a little tool. We're just building their toolboxes.
And what, you got an Emmy there?
Yes, for someone from Duluth who was not at our ceremony last week. So I'm going to present it to this person today.
It pays to go to the gala.
Pays to go, yes. Otherwise, I have to deliver them.
Hey, here's our setup. Hope I don't mess up.
So, the Emmy for Health News Single Story of Series goes to Posting the Positive, The Chris Chronicles, WDIO TV, Renee Pasal, reporter. Here's your little case for it. So one thing, they're not winners, they're recipients. You are presented an award. You're not getting an award for who gets the highest score wins.
And I think it's the culture of this building. You have your faith at home, and then you have your faith at school. It just becomes a part of your life. Our school would not be enriched with kids like them.
So this is Kevin Jacobson.
Hey guys.
I've actually known Kevin for, 12 years or something like that, back when you were just starting.
It's been a while, yeah.
And now he's the
News director.
here at KBJR. Yeah. That's so awesome. So he's going to give me a little tour of the studio. So come on, let's go.
So this is our master control in here.
Okay.
Right now we're actually broadcasting a live football game from UMD.
Okay.
So we got some folks working today. This is where our NBC station, our CBS station, our CW network, and our My9 network come out of.
Okay. This is a duopoly?
Duopoly, yes.
Okay.
Yep, and we operate 2 stations, 2 affiliates. We do a 6 o'clock, a 10 o'clock, and a morning show all at the same time.
Oh, wow.
2 different studios, 2 different control rooms.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
This is our KBJR studio.
Nice.
All robotic cameras, lots of cool tech. We've got a multi-purpose area, our news desk over there, and then our weather center.
Oh, wow.
A cool monitor in the back as well. So
This does not look like Market 1, whatever. This looks like anything.
139, yeah.
Yeah, this looks like anything in Minneapolis too.
Yeah, we
15.
We got some pretty cool tools. This is Alex Libby, our weekend meteorologist.
Hi, how's it going?
He's vlogging.
We're just getting a little tour.
So we got this set 4 years ago.
Okay.
So when Quincy Media came in and bought the station, they built us this new studio. They built us a new studio for a CBS station upstairs. And then we have 2 twin control rooms.
Okay, so this is KBJR studio.
This is a KBJR studio. Yep.
Okay,
Yep.
excellent. And then the classic chroma key for
absolutely.
weather or whatever the case is. Nice. Okay. Cool.
And then we'll share the control room.
You share the control room. Okay.
Yep. So this is the KBJR control room, operates the KBJR studio. It's all Ross overdrive, so it's one person does it all, basically, yeah.
Awesome.
And then over here, we've got the same control room, but this works the CBS studio upstairs.
Okay. Oh, it's not quite a mirror image, but it's
really, really close.
wow.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
We've got engineering here.
Engineers. Oh, I love engineering shops. Engineers are the heroes of newsrooms. They fix what I break.
There you go. So this actually used to be our creative services department.
Craft services?
It turned into our CBS studio. We had to use part of it for storage.
Okay. Yep. Behind the scenes. Behind the set.
Just like the KBJR studio, robotic cameras,
Okay.
news set, weather set, chroma key, and then sort of a multi-purpose area here.
Okay. Little different look, but it's the exact same kind of thing. Setup,
Yep.
anchor desk, weather, chroma key. Different layout.
Oh yeah.
Nice. So do people know that that you're two different stations, or have they caught on by now?
No, we've done a really good job of separating
Okay.
both brands. So yeah.
Nice. Okay. So kind of reporters stay on one side and.
So we split reporters, we split photographers, content shared, but each station has its own anchor teams, producers, directors.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so
nice.
we do a really good job of trying to separate everything.
They do the video for the background, for the
Yep, the video, graphics,
over the shoulder type thing.
live shots, whatever, what have you.
Live, local, Duluth. How big's your staff?
We've got 39 people in the newsroom. 39.
Wow.
Granted, we're operating 2 stations, so
Wow.
yeah.
Still 20 people roughly on both sides.
Yeah.
So that's good for a lot of small markets or smaller markets.
It is, and we typically have a good team working. We're able to cover a lot of stuff and divvy it up. So
That's good. And as you said, you share content, so you
Share
can,
content, yeah.
so you can send one person this and not have to send a second crew
Right.
to go to cover the exact same
but if
thing.
there is breaking news, we'll definitely send 2 crews out. We have the capability to, shake things up and do it that way. So
It's like, awesome.
yeah, it's fun. Hot off the press. Sure, chief photographer loves that I'm going through this. We won't tell him though. So these are going into service next week. Nice little JVCs.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Brand new off the factory line.
absolutely.
Pretty.
So we got a bunch of those, and then we have a couple of shoulder mount cameras too, used by our photographers in sports.
That's cool. You guys got 2 studios, not just one.
Right, 2 studios, 2 control rooms, and basically 2 staffs to run these 2 different stations.
Awesome. Are you guys looking for talent?
Always.
Always.
Yeah.
Always. Okay. Kevin, I can tell you, Kevin's a great dude. So if you want to, you youngins want to look for a place to go to in Duluth, you can talk to him because he brings in workshop people too. So that's really cool.
Well, the cool thing is, it's obviously we are a station, we're a business. We got to cover the news and make money, but we also have the good opportunity to do a lot of teaching and coaching, whether it's just for our staff or other stations in town too. So just as an example, having the Emmy on the Road workshop here, bringing in folks from our competition and students too who are about to graduate and looking to do a broadcast or a newspaper, whatever it may be.
Because we never stop learning.
No. And once you do, then probably time to find another career.
Yeah. Or you're dead. So I mean, I've been doing it for 25 years, and I
Yeah.
love going to workshops still to learn and teach and all this stuff.
There's always something new you can pick up. You may have heard a lot of the techniques or tips before, but there's always 1 or 2 things you can kind of take away and go, oh yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Exactly. And apply. Because whether it's spot news or general news or in depth, it's the same storytelling.
Absolutely.
tool. So
Yep.
that's it. Thanks for having me on, Kevin.
Thanks for coming.
Excellent.
Appreciate it.
Thanks. Okay, so that's going to do it for me in Duluth. Much thanks to the Upper Midwest Emmys and for KBJR for hosting. I had a lot of fun at the workshop. I love workshops. I love going to them, learning from them, teaching at them. They're so much fun because, as we talked about with Kevin, you never stop learning. You keep growing. So again, that's going to do it for me in Duluth. Thanks for joining me on TVPhotogTips. My name is Bill Middicky. Good luck and have fun.